Icala lokuzama ukudlwengula kanye nelokushaya elithweso umeli kaBester uCharlotte Ndo lavula ngomhla zi-13 kuNdasa kulo nyaka. uNdo waboshwa mhla zingama-25 kuwo uNdasa. Wadedelwa ngebheyili ekuhambeni kwesikhathi. Kwakhishwa-ke incwadi yokuba angasondeli kulowo omvulele icala. Ebuzwa-ke ngezinsolo ezibhekiswe kuye uphendule kanje.
The mere fact that I'm going through my own personal issues, it does not necessarily mean or doesn't necessarily take away the fact that I'm still a lawyer. If there was going to be any bearing whatsoever, I think Legal Practice Council, which is a body that governs legal practitioners, they would have acted by now or suspended me. But because these are still allegations, which are still going to be tested in court, obviously they wouldn't want to do anything that will actually have an impact on me.
U-Advocate Jeremiah Pelle obhekene namacala enkohlakalo nokukhwabanisa akafunanga-ke ukufaka kulolu daba kakhulu.
Our matter with Mr. Ndo have nothing to do with Thabo Bester. Thabo Bester is our client. He's having his own matter that is coming on the 20th of June. And we will be able to attend to his matter to the finality as long as we still have the instructions from Mr. Thabo Bester. Any person that has got allegations leveled against them, they have the right to go and present their side of the story, to go to court and defend themselves.
Icala lika-Advocate Pelle lizoqala mhla zingama-26 kwephezulu. Akacacike ukuthi okuqukethwe ileli cala kuzoba mnamthelela muni ecaleni likaBester.